Iowa Clover Power Cooking School is now in session. Get ready to learn how to prepare another nutritious snack recipe with some simple ingredients along with your Iowa State University Cooking School friends, showing you how to make cooking fun and healthy.
Welcome to the Clover Power Cooking School. My name is Justine and this is Lauren, and we are students studying dietetics at Iowa State University.
We are super excited to be cooking with you today. Today we're going to be making a recipe from Iowa State University's Spend Smart, Eat Smart website. We're going to be making black bean salsa.
Beans are a seed grown in the legume family. They can be incorporated into the 5210 guidelines by reaching our 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. Beans are used in dishes all across the world in different recipes, and they are especially good sources of carbohydrates, fiber, and protein. These nutrients are very important for our body to give our bodies energy, help us feel full, and for building and repairing things like our muscles.
The fiber in beans also helps keep our teeth and our gums clean. Certain beans, such as navy beans and white beans, are loaded with calcium and phosphorus, which help keep our teeth and our bones strong. Did you know that dried beans, such as black beans, are actually grown right here in Iowa?
That's interesting. Our salsa is also from Iowa. Now we're going to start with our recipe today. Before we start any recipe, we want to go and wash our hands. We've already done so, but if you haven't, you can pause the video right now and make sure you go scrub in between your fingers and underneath your fingernails with warm soapy water.
All right, now that our hands are washed, we're gonna go ahead and start setting up our supplies for today. So we're gonna need a medium bowl, a spoon, a can opener, measuring cup, and last, a strainer.
For our ingredients today, we're going to be using a can of black beans, frozen corn, a jar of salsa, and some chips. You can use any chips you want, and if you're gluten-free, use gluten-free chips or any other chips that you would prefer.
All right, so we went ahead and opened our beans and poured them into our strainer. We're gonna set that strainer in the sink and go ahead and give those beans a nice rinse. All right, now that our beans are rinsed, we're gonna go ahead and add those into our medium bowl.
Now we're going to measure out the corn. We're going to take 1 cup, and with our bag, we can stick the whole cup in there. And you can get it about like this and shake it to get it a little level. And then we're gonna dump that cup in there. And then we're just going to do half of this cup because it calls for 1.5 cups. So we're just gonna kind of eyeball it, and then you can just put however much you want in it too.
All right, and then lastly, we're gonna go ahead and take our salsa and incorporate that over top of the beans and the corn. We're gonna wanna mix them all together so we can get all those delicious flavors incorporated together. And it makes a very beautiful dish full of awesome colors.
Now that we have our salsa all mixed together, I'm going to put it in a serving dish and then dish it up with some chips.
Learning about using beans for a quick snack may be something new for a lot of you. How else could you maybe use beans in meals and other dishes that you like to try?
I think I might use it in a salad or maybe like a wrap or tortilla.
I like to mix mine with chicken and make chicken tacos personally.
Ooh, that sounds good.
If you try your salsa and you want to change up the flavor profile a little bit, you could also add your own salt and pepper, some garlic, some cilantro, or even chili powder if you like a more spicy dish.
On a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being super easy and 5 being very difficult, how would you rate this recipe? Do you think you could do this at home or with someone's help? How would you incorporate this at home? Maybe you can do it as a side dish on taco night.
Thank you for joining us for Clover Power Cooking School 4-H Friends. We're gonna go ahead and give this a try.